Cumin seeds, also known as jeera, are among the most popular spices used in Indian cuisine and many Asiatic countries and other places. Still, in India, you can't imagine any meal without cumin seeds. The perfect smoky odor and unique taste enhance the quality and taste of your food and have plenty of health benefits that make it more usable. Cumin seeds can be used in different forms. You can fry them on a hot pan, then make powder and sprinkle on your salad or beverages. One can also add some cumin seeds in their food or soup, or you can also use them in powdered form, and the benefits will remain as they are. But you know that you can also have cumin water or jeera water, which is tremendously effective in treating many health issues, and the recipe is also easy. Boil some seeds into some water for 5 to 10 minutes. This article is dedicated to the excellent benefits of jeera water you never know, and when you come to know these benefits, you will fall in love with these tiny seeds. So let's take a look at 7 excellent benefits of jeera water, cumin water. Benefits of jeera water, cumin water. 1. Improves digestion. If you are prone to have acidity, bloating, and gas-related troubles after eating or simply like that, then cumin water can treat this quickly. Cumin water helps to provoke the digestive enzymes for the secretion of digestive juice, so your food becomes digestible without bothering you. Drinking 1 cup of jeera water after lunch or an empty stomach can deal with your bowel disorders. It flushes all the toxins from your body and clears it naturally, and drinking an empty stomach can also treat morning sickness and nausea. 2. Rehydrates the body and boosts immunity. Jeera water contains sufficient potassium, which helps maintain the electrolyte level in your body and keeps your body hydrated. Drinking cumin water regularly controls water retainer, and it makes the pH level of your body and balances the liquids. Also, cumin water is rich in antioxidants, iron, and other powerful contents that fight your body infections that weaken your immunity, so drinking cumin water regularly boosts your immunity and makes it strong. 3. Beneficial in anemia. Anemia is a common health issue, and millions of people are facing it, but if you want to cure this naturally, start drinking cumin water. It contains iron, which is needed to increase red blood cells. Anemic patients always feel tiredness, lack of doing something, lack of appetite, etc. Cumin water stimulates blood cells and provides such energy to your body, and improves appetite. Different studies prove that people who drink cumin water daily never faced anemia or appetite-related issues, which is enough proof. 4. Help to lose weight. Cumin water is an excellent remedy to lose weight naturally. If you are fat and now tired of doing several methods, then once try this also. Drinking cumin water on an empty stomach raises your metabolism level and kicks out all the harmful toxins from your body. It cuts out the extra fat and helps to get your body the perfect shape again. You can drink twice and see the expected results in a few weeks. People got surprising results after drinking cumin water, and the highlighted thing is that it has no side effects on your body. 5. Regulates blood pressure and blood sugar. Blood pressure is a dangerous problem that must be treated at the time. Cumin water helps to regulate the blood pressure level because it contains potassium and antioxidants. It maintains the balance of fluids and liquids in your body. So as it is helpful in blood sugar level. Diabetic patients can also have cumin water regularly, but if you prepare yourself for any surgery, stop drinking before 2 weeks of any operation. It is suitable for your heart because cumin water controls blood pressure and blood sugar level, and both are bad for your heart health. It improves your heart functioning, and drinking an empty stomach increases the benefits, especially if you want to control your blood pressure and blood sugar level. 6. Prevents cancer. Cancer is killing thousands of people every year, and still, experts are finding the exact way to treat this. Radiotherapy or chemotherapy is not the cup of tea for everyone. It comes silently and attacks your body without any notice. Drinking cumin water regularly prevents cancer. It contains a special factor named thymoquinone, which controls the development of the cancerous cells that provoke cancer and support to become it in the tumor formation. So start drinking cumin water, and it can take place as a complementary substitute for any cancerous medicine. 7. Good for your skin. Getting healthy and glowing skin is the dream of every girl or boy. Applying harmful chemicals, added creams, and lotions can spoil your skin quality. Cumin water nourishes your skin from the inside and treats tanning and skin blemishes. It reduces the pimples and acne that are pretty common. It has antioxidants that remove the skin impurities and purify your blood, so your skin glows naturally and looks beautiful. Cumin water also has vitamin A and vitamin E that are good for your skin. So if you are slim or have no issue regarding your health, then drink cumin water just the sake for your skin, and in a few weeks, you will get the appropriate results. How to make Jeera water, cumin seed. Ingredients: water 500 ml, Jeera 2 to 3 tablespoons. To make Jeera water, take the water in a pan and boil. Once it comes to a boil, add the cumin seeds. Continue boiling till the color of the water changes to yellow color and strain. Your cumin water is ready. Conclusion. So as you see that cumin water is very effective and easy to make. You need not do any extra hard work or wait for hours to prepare it. Try to have 1 cup of cumin water on an empty stomach, then slowly increase the quality from 1 cup to 1 glass. Do not add salt or sugar or anything else in this water, make it and drink it slowly, and we hope you will indeed have stunning results, or your body will tell you about the change. So, friends, we hope that after going through the above excellent benefits of Jeera water, cumin water will surely help you. So please don't delay taking the benefits of it.